Ever wondered why you yawn? These 5 fun facts will blow your sleepy mind. Number 1. Yawning isn't just about sleep. It's your brain's way of cooling itself down. Yup, your head gets overheated. Number 2. Seeing someone yawn can make you yawn. It's called contagious yawning, and only humans and chimps do it. Number 3. People with higher empathy yawn more when others do. So if you yawned already, congrats, you're kind. Number 4. Yawning too much? It could be a sign of a health issue like sleep apnea or even heart problems. Don't ignore it. Number 5. Babies start yawning inside the womb, even at just 11 weeks. Oops, wait, are you yawning? Bet you yawned while watching this. Like, share, and follow for more weird body facts.